What I've got here in the shop is a snowblower with stuck shear pins in the auger shaft. Because it was so difficult to try to get these off while it was on the machine here, I took the whole auger assembly off. So what I'll be doing now is heating it up with acetylene torches, and you'll see how quickly that pin comes out. There we go. And here's that pin. It's still glowing red. Now when you do it this way, make sure you support the shaft, because if you don't support it near where you heated it, you could end up bending your shaft. That's why I had it on the jack stand here, just so that I wouldn't bend it. So this is an extreme measure to get the pins out, guys. When you put your pins back in your snowblower, put some anti-seize on them, and you won't have all this work to do when you go to get them off. Thanks for watching.